Hey, thanks for attending our webinars over the last couple of weeks since all of this kind of craziness started. We've been listening to the marketplace and listening to the people that are attending, and we've created some workshops that we wanted to bring your way to help answer some questions and get you from just listening to information to actually doing some work on things. So we have two upcoming workshops. One is around the CARES Act. We know that's a hot topic right now and people need to get that and get it right. So we've created a program for both SBA EIDL as well as PPP and getting prepared for that. It's a short period of time. It's less than 4 hours. You're in a room with a coach, getting very specific. It's like pushing the easy button to make that happen for you so that you can go to the local banks fully prepared for that. And then we have another set of workshops around what we're calling DSRO, which is defense, stabilization, reset, and then playing offense. And every single business that we're working with today needs to be playing in all of those quadrants, except we're getting really stuck in this defense and defense and stabilization side and not getting to reset and offense quickly enough. So we put together a program. It's a workshop, again, in a room with a coach, not literally, virtually, and working through those particular components of moving your business forward. So join us if you can. We put a lot of thought into the content. We've been having some really good success with it. We'd love to see you there.